Good morning. Today we are going to see electric field intensity due to infinite plane sheet of charge. Okay, this is one of the application of Gauss law. In few classes we have seen due to spherical shell, due to lengthy conductor. Okay, in lengthy conductor what we have seen, this is the lengthy conductor and we assumed a cylinder. Okay, in a lengthy conductor, this is the positive lengthy conductor and this is our point P to determine electric field intensity, and we imagined a cylinder. Okay, in that case we not considered these surfaces. Okay, now here this is our infinite sheet, okay, of positive charge. Now what we are going to do is we are going to consider or determine electric field at one point P here. Okay, now we have to imagine a Gaussian surface. Okay, for this we have to imagine a cylinder in this form. Here we imagined a cylinder in this size, but here we have to imagine a cylinder in this direction. Okay, now in this direction if you imagine, it should be symmetric both the sides. Therefore we have to consider this surface and this surface. Okay, because both are parallel to the field, that is you have to understand. Okay, electric field is acting along in this direction. The vector is given here. Okay, the unit vector is given here and this is the direction of the electric field, that is parallel. Now the surface, that means this surface. Okay, electric field is along this direction, just like. Now you have to consider this surface and this surface only. And this surface, okay, that means surface area is perpendicular. Okay, the unit vector is perpendicular. Therefore, you should not consider this surface. In this case, we have not considered this area and this area. Okay, we consider only this surface. Now here we have to consider this surface and this surface only. We should not consider the outer surface. Okay, now as you know, it is very simple derivation only. Electric flux by mathematics. Okay, that means mathematical formula. Flux equal to surface integral of E dx. Okay, I removed the vector. Okay, because you have to put n dot unit vector and then you have to remove it. Just I removed it. Okay, if you want you can put it one more point. Okay, surface integral of point P, that means this surface integral and this surface integral. Therefore I mentioned P and Q separate. E ds, E ds. Okay, both are parallel to the field, therefore we are adding. And if you want you can add surface integral of E ds, okay, and which is equal to 0. Okay, because it is perpendicular to the field. Therefore I have not added this. Okay, now both are in the same direction, that is parallel to the electric field, therefore we have to add it. Therefore 2a surface integral of ds. Now surface integral of ds equal to 2e into a. Okay, area of this surface. Okay, now this is the flux, electric flux. Now according to Gauss law, flux equal to, okay, Q by epsilon 0. But here we are putting A also. Therefore, if you assume sigma as a surface charge density, okay, sigma equals surface charge density. Okay, then sigma into A give the total charge divided by epsilon 0. Okay, now you take the equation 1 and this 2 and this 3. Now equating 2 and 3. Equating 2 and 3, or from equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3, this is 2 EA. Already I told you, you always take the E term in the left hand side, okay, which is equals sigma A divided by epsilon 0. Okay, now A get cancelled. Therefore, your electric field E equals sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Okay, this is your final result. Okay, for an infinite plane sheet of charge positive, or you can put a positive charge Q also. Now electric field at some distance. Okay, now the electric field is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. See here, it is not depending any distance. It is not depending any distance because it is infinite. Therefore, it has an influence at this place. Okay, all the charges are influencing. Therefore, the electric field is independent of distance. That is, you have to understand. Electric field is independent of the distance due to infinite plane sheet. Okay, if it is positive, then radially outward. If it is negative, radially inward. That is, you have to understand. Thank you.